girl family. So we're back with another daily vlog. We're not doing too much. We got up to a late pretty start, about to make him some lunch and yeah, do our normal routines until Dawn gets home. So I guess just come along with us. I don't think this vlog is gonna be too long. I'll probably mash up today and tomorrow. So yeah.
How much better can I show my love for you than say I do, I do, I do.
You know I do, I only wanted you. Get lost inside my feelings when I hop inside the booth. They always telling lies when I'm just asking for the truth. 3-5 in my bum, getting high like I was Snoop. I'm touching down like I'm a running back. He cap for y'all, but on my daughter he be running back. Don't say it, smoke it get too loud, we give asthma attack. Can't get your nigga back and you mad. We switched positions, it was your turn to be what the fuck you on, nigga? I don't need your hand for shit. Told my babe to bed and bleach, cause I know he just hit a lick. I'm not tripping, we gon' split. I got 2-3 on my kid, and it's okay, cause if you act up, we gon' hop out with that stick. Look, I'm not one of those, can't fuck with friendly hoes. My circle small as fuck when it's compared to Cheerios. I don't even rap, but I wanna hear my shit on stereo. I'm known for kicking niggas out like Rey Mysterio. You know I do, I only wanted you. Get lost inside my feelings when I hop inside the booth. They always telling lies when I'm just asking for the truth. 3-5 in my bum, getting high like I was Snoop.
You may not know where you're going, but I do, I do, I do. You may not know where you're going, but I do, I do, I do. I do, I do, I do. RDMS.
Give me life, give me love.
Okay, so while he eating on that, I'm about to pour me up, per usual, some water. But yeah, so if you're subscribed to our channel or watched our Christmas video, Dawn engaged to me. We've been together for 11 years, and this will be our first year engaged. Yeah, so I'm trying to lose weight for our wedding. I gave myself to the end of the year to try to, lose this weight. And whatever I don't lose by the end of the year is just whatever. When I first started this year, I was like 222. I'm down to like 190. And yeah, like I'm trying, my goal weight is like 160, 150. I was that before I had got pregnant, so I want to get like that again. The highest I've ever been was 286 or 289, something like that. And then I had a gastric sleeve surgery, and 1 year post-op I got pregnant. I had dropped all the way down to like 150. I used to stagger between like 150, 160. And then I got pregnant. So I didn't even really get to enjoy being small. Like real small. Like got to like my max. Like I wanted to be like 120, 130. But I didn't even get like that until I got pregnant. And then when I got pregnant, I got all the way back up to like 240-ish. And then after I had him, I got down to like 220. And then I was like that. And then I breastfed. And then I would like lose inches but not pounds. And then, you know, I was just enjoying my baby. But now he's 2 and I'm just like, no. And then of course I want to be cute in my wedding dress. Like what? So yeah, that's the thing. So that's what I'm trying to lose all this weight for that. So yeah. So next week after Monday, because Monday is gonna be my last meal, like where I eat food. But I'm gonna go on a water fast. Most people just drink water only, but I'm gonna do. I've been researching water and watermelon. A lot of people recommend doing water and watermelon because it still gives you like that feel of eating, even though it's watermelon. I mean, you know. So yeah. Tuesday, I'm gonna start that. I'm gonna try to do like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm gonna try to do Saturday and Sunday, but I know I do want to do like Tuesday through Friday though. I'm gonna do my normal fasting, which I already do that. So my body is already used to not eating during the day, but at night is when I'm gonna eat watermelon for dinner, you know, while they're eating their dinner, I'm gonna be eating watermelon for my dinner. So I can still be a part of dinner, but I'm just not eating what they're eating, and I can still, you know, get full, because watermelon gets you full, but it tastes so good. So I'm gonna do that, and then hopefully I can drop at least like 5 pounds to get me to like in the 180s, because like right now I stagger between like 190 and 193. So hopefully I can get like out of there, and then if I like it, then I'll probably do like, I want to try to do like 21 days, but I'm not gonna like do too much. But yeah, so we about to put on our shoes, pack up. I got a few orders I need to do. 3 orders for some of our New World merch. So I need to go get some more shirts for that. This is also one of our shirts. You know, you can for purchase. This shirt is a youth large. So yeah, you can get it in whatever size you need. This is DTF. Which is more durable. You can wash it however you want. You can dry it however you want. But we also provide sublimation, which is more like on a polyester shirt, like a stretch shirt. This is cotton. And that's more like if you want like where it's embedded into the shirt. But some people don't like polyester in the summertime because baby, it sticks to you like glue. But yeah, and then I also do print to vinyl, where you could send me, you know, a picture and I can print it out, and then, you know, put it to the shirt. But that is not as durable as DTF. But DTF is limitations to what you can get. But print to vinyl, you can print whatever you want. It's just that you gotta hang dry it. That's the only thing. So it's not as durable, because baby, you know, we just wash our clothes depending on what it is. We just put it in the washing machine, put it in the dryer, put it on. And yeah, this shirt, I want to say, this is one of like our first ones when I first came up with the design, and I had put it on a shirt. So I want to say this gotta be like last year, and it's still on. Okay, so yeah, yep. Yeah, so that's, you know, about that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna cook dinner tonight. I cook dinner every night, but I think I'm gonna make Don and Big E flounder fish. I think I'm gonna fry it. Ooh, I'm gonna let y'all see how I fry my fish. Yes, best ever. And I'm gonna do fried rice. Fried rice, cause I got some I think it's like 2 days old rice in there, and baby, we don't throw away food unless we just honestly don't want it. And I want me a plant-based burger. So that's what I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna see. I'm probably stop and get me some sweet potato fries, or do I just want some hot Cheetos? Figure that out. But yeah. So, ooh, and on my burger, I'm gonna put me some beets on it. Ooh, I'm gonna show y'all how I make that as well. I put it in the air fryer. Beets is good for iron, cause you know most women have low iron, and that's good for iron. So yeah, stay tuned. I'll be back. So I did my runs. Had went to the t-shirt store when I got all my stuff for that, but Don is like an hour and like 45 minutes away from the house, and I was dreading coming to walk. Like, I just was not in the mood today, but I guess it was just meant to happen, because I was like trying to come up with excuses, but I guess it was just supposed to happen. So now we're here and I'm walking. Had to, I guess, talk myself into walking today, because I just honestly was just not in the mood. I wanted to go home, but I guess it was meant, because I was passing the park to even get home. So it was just like, guess I was just supposed to just go. So this is where we at.
Hello.
Like carousel?
Yeah, thank you.
Hey, let this shit ride, time.
Gotta change my way, gotta change my habits. Gotta change my ways, gotta change my habits. I see some fine shit, I'm like, damn, I gotta have it. Don't take too much to get from me, nigga, all you gotta do is ask me. My loyalty run too deep, I pray it don't have me in the casket. If it go down right now, niggas, you ready to crash or what? This sticker split your crew up like I just broke down the Dutch. I'm ready to go in, jumping outside, it's like fuck a downset hut. Won't go to church, cause I got sins that'll make the pastor hush. And I feel out of touch, that's just real. What you say to me do matter, I just don't express it. When I'm sober, I'm gon' stress. I'm geek, now it's a lesson. He not like that, got that button in, he still won't press it. Tap the gas while I'm going around the curve, like, oof, I done already. Nigga, who you think you pressing? Bitch, I'm counting cash, get the fuck up on my presence. Exotic in the air, you can touch us by the essence. Ain't talking about no money, you can go on and hit the exit. I'm Batman, don't need robbing. I stay in the trap, but I know niggas that be robbing. I can hold it down, just let me see what's in your wallet. From my porch, I see the martyr. I can see my plays passing by just like I'm Coach Carter. You know I'm the one, could never be the two. I'm not in the Bible, I couldn't do what Jesus do. People try your patience, they get mad, you act the fool. I cut you off in silence, you would never have a clue. Gotta change my ways and all my habits. I see some fine shit, I'm like, damn, I gotta have it. Don't take too much to get from me, nigga, all you gotta do is ask me. My loyalty run too deep, I pray don't have me in a casket.
So I use avocado oil to fry my fish in, because it don't give like that fishy taste that you would get when you fry in regular vegetable oil. So that's my thing. If that ain't your thing, then to each his own. But I say try it and tell me what you think. But I think it just make you, I mean, you eating fish, but it don't taste like you eating fish. Sometimes like that fishy aftertaste could be like too much, you know? But you see how it's looking?
I don't need your hand, I'm good all by myself. And we wear black and white like panda bears and refs. You're not a part of the team to leave. Exotic weed inside my body, I get way more geek than Steve. Can't wait for Bay to get off probation, put a 3-5 in his leaf. Man, you switched on me for nothing. And it's okay, cause I've been stacking shit like Tony Hawk, I'm stunning. Bitch, I'm never ever running. I ain't never fuck with math until I started counting hundreds. Yeah, it may hurt, but it's the truth. But I ain't mad, you being honest. Is it give or take? Broken conversations with no money, I cannot relate. Gotta catch this flight, I can't be late. Put a bitch in her position, she get out of place. We in the lab like Rick and Morty, we go out of space. Bitches thinking that it's sweet, but scared to get a taste. Pockets full of paper, got money poking out in every way. You full of shit, you turned your back on me like Gunna. This chopper cook shit up like we just ordered Benny Hanna. And I'm standing on our business, put that shit there on my mama. New since a jet, I was the shit like I'm a motherfucking plumber. Bags in, Indian store, we taxing. That stick be hitting, no sight, Tony Braxton. Before I'm on the top and I ain't stopping, I done been on the floor. Show me how you can before.
Let me hold you, girl, caress my body. You got me going crazy. Turn me on, let me jam you. Go on. Hold you, girl, caress my body. You got me going crazy. Turn me on. For the longest we were jamming in the party, and you waiting on me, pushing everything. Right back on top of me,
All right, y'all don't talk mess, but I don't care because it's my food. I'm eating. So I forgot that this is like a non-stick baking sheet, and the dang on bacon and the dang on wax paper. I should have used the baking sheet. This is wax paper, duh. Yeah, it ended up sticking to the back of the thing, but it don't matter. I don't need all that bread anyway. So this is how it's looking. But I'm gonna use some of this as my marinara because it's only 60 calories. So I'm about to put that on there. Cause this is my pizza, so I don't care. This is my first time making it, so trial and error. You learn as you go. And it's gonna be thin crust. It's gonna get all up in there. Like that.
That one sounds scary for That one sounds like
Okay. Then we got mozzarella cheese. I'm gonna put this. Oh, it's low fat as well. 70 calories. Yes.
turn me up in the headphones. I'm just trying to get it. Niggas out here bitch. All he got me itching. 50 Hondas 20s. Going on sweat, cost less than a penny. Just give me a minute. Cash flow coming in and I've been drowning in it. Money adding up. My shoes don't never match my shirt. We having different stuff. Just like smoking.
All this cheese.
They steady capping in their phones. They ain't do none of us. They making noise on Instagram. We make them shut it up. Don't know who told that boy he can't be one of us. These niggas tryna end the game cause they can't level up.
It's how to slide. For you hop inside this car, make sure you good with homicide. Cause it's still these 300 shots. Even when we
Okay, then I got some of these. I'm gonna put a little bit on here just in case Don or Ezra wants some.
Shake it on the mission, he been showing scary signs. They don't like I twist my fingers like I'm fucking blind.
I used to work at Papa John's when I was in college, so if y'all didn't know, the pepperoni go on top of the pizza. Okay, so we about to go ahead and make these dang on things now. These dang on Korean corn dogs. I want these things so bad, it don't make no sense. Is this even going? Cut these down some. They ain't even gonna fit in the dang on thing. All right. So, got my stuff. So let me go on here and start this up so I can be making them and dropping them in there. So this is my pizza, y'all. Babe, come get these up. I think they're done. That's my cheese stick right there. I want that one. It's a big block of cheese. Y'all, these corn dogs, even though this was my first time and it looked at a hot mess, I promise y'all, they taste so good. They taste like that place that we had tried downtown. Baby, you can move it on that other side. So like I said, tonight was the first try of everything that was made. Even though it looked crazy. Hold on, I can't even say if the pizza tastes good yet because I'm still cutting it. But I know that the Korean corn dogs taste good though. Okay, I'm gonna try this one. I'm telling y'all, eating healthy can taste so good. And I ain't just saying that because it's my food. Because you know how some people be like, oh, Don finna try it.
They always telling lies when I'm just asking for the truth. 3-5 in my bum, getting high like I was. I'm touching down like I'm a running back. Keep cat for y'all, but on my daughter.
What you think, baby? That's him? It's good, baby. Y'all, he like it. So this was a protein pizza. My vegetables made my side a little wet, but
even though
yeah, it's good. Yeah. You want some? Ezra wanna act like he don't like it. Go ahead.
no, it's just too hot for him. Like a little hot.
Y'all, this shit's so damn good. It don't make no sense. Okay, so let me show y'all these corn dogs. This is my mozzarella cheese. Woo! Mozzarella cheese stick. That's mine. But these how the corn dogs turned out.
I don't need pizza from nowhere else.
Is that good? You don't need pizza from nowhere? Aha! Y'all, he playing. Y'all see that cheese pull? Y'all, it is so good. Uh-oh. Ezra playing. But y'all, this tastes so good. Like, I'm really proud of myself. They look a little ugly, but it's good. So, Don trying to go all out and use some cheese sauce like they be doing on the show. When you watch the Koreans, our favorite is gong sam. Gong sam. So I'm about to try this. I don't know. They be eating it right out the jar. I think it's too much cheese, as I thought. But to each his own.
How the cheese taste? Do it need to be melted or?
I don't know how cheese is supposed to taste. But that ain't my thing. I can just eat this regular.
I think it need to get heat to it.
Okay.
Let me get a little piece. We got hot dog.
Oh, these is turkey. Turkey, by the way. Y'all full already. Shit.
Yeah.
It need to be warmed up.
I heat on it.
Okay. So yeah, this is what I made for